Hello and welcome to another How to OU at USU. Today we will be looking at Sidenavs and a little bit to do with menus. So let's say you're a student organization. Specifically, we're going to say that we're the developer club today. And our webmaster for the college has set us up with a domain and a directory so that we can start creating the website for our club, so that way people can find out who we are, what we're about. Really cool, really nice of them. One of the first things that we're going to want to do, we can see we have our basic template, our basic setup with our sidenav.inc file. Make sure you have that. And our home page and our images, files, there's nothing in there, so we'll have to start adding stuff. But that's okay. So for this index page, maybe we'll just clear that out real quick with the source code. Just delete all that. Nothing to worry about there. Cool. And we go ahead and publish that. We can see that that change has gone through. And we've watched some of the other tutorials and we kind of know what to do. So we go ahead and create a new page, for our directory, and we go ahead and create a page. We'll publish that. We'll come back to it and edit it if as needed. And let's also create like a contact us page. Maybe later we'll contact us. We'll set up a form so that way people can send us messages, let us know that hey, they want to join our club, because why wouldn't they? It's the developer club. Come on, we're great. Publish that. We're going through making our changes. We're adding stuff. We're saving. We're submitting it for approval if we can't publish. All is good. But suddenly we have all these pages, right? These 3 pages. Maybe more, maybe less. But we have no way of linking to them, right? And we can't change the top nav because of how everything's set up. So we need to use our side nav. So we can see we have that sidenav inc file, right? We'll go ahead and click that, and cool, it's got stuff in it. It's not quite our stuff. Maybe I'll hurry and I'll just delete that. Well, I don't know. What is that? Contact us. We'll keep that one, right? We need that. News and events. Oh yeah, we'll have to have that. Oh, about us. Yeah, we'll have to create that. Maybe we'll just use our homepage for now. We'll have a news and events maybe a little bit later, but we'll definitely need to get that directory. List of all our members, directory, make sure everybody can see that. Cool. I don't know where these links point to quite yet, so I'm just going to unlink each of them because they're not my links, but then I'll turn them into my links. So contact us. I'll highlight that. Again, I can right click to get to insert edit link. You notice it looks a little different. That's okay. That's fine. Or I can use the top nav again to insert edit link. Oh, that looks way different. What the? Well, okay. Doesn't really matter. Seems to be basically the same. I click browse. Oh, yep, and everything's back to normal. What was that? That I just highlighted. Contact us? Yeah, I think so. All right, so we'll click contact us. Yeah, there's some errors. We're not done. We'll come back. We'll fix those eventually. We'll insert that. Insert. Cool, we got that updated. News and events. We don't have that quite yet, but I'll delete it for now. But I'll make it, and then we can add that later. Directory again. Insert edit link. Still looks a little weird. Doesn't matter. I'll just use that to get to my directory. Go ahead and insert that. About us. Okay, same thing. I'll just insert edit link. Click the thing. What is this about us? Oh, I'll just use the home page, that default index page we have. That makes perfect sense because that's where I'll talk about us. Insert. Cool. And then I'll save that and I'll submit it for publish, or if for some reason I have the publish option, I'll just publish it myself. Leave a description, let people know what I did. Fix the links. The links. Okay, publish that. And cool. Let's go back to our index page. Still not quite showing up. Still, I come back to the user side. Nothing showing up. Oh, okay, well, maybe I'll forget about that for a bit. Developer. Oh, helps if I spell. Developers Club. Oh, Developers Club. Cool. Turn that into an H1. I can make some layout stuff. Not going to worry about that just yet. Still, how do I get that side nav? Okay. Well, this is how. Click this properties button. And you see under these custom settings, we have this side nav options. I can speak, I promise. All right. We can hide the side nav. Well, we don't want that. We want to show it. Show left nav or show right nav. Okay, cool. Let's click that, and there's some other stuff. Path to side nav and title of side nav. This title will be displayed on mobile view. Use gray left nav. All right, well, I want to show the left nav, so I'm expecting it to show up on the left. Path to side nav. Okay, well, I'll click that, and oh, cool, it gives me a file chooser. I'll go to, by default, normally, you'll only have access to your specific folder, and so it should default to that. If it doesn't, let your webmaster know. Otherwise, just navigate to that folder and find that side nav file, and we did just update those links. We'll choose file and title of side navigation. This title will be displayed on mobile view. All right, well, we'll come back to that. I saved that. Did that? Oh, cool. Showed up. It showed up. I have that side nav, and if I come back here, I have not published it, so I'll publish it or submit it for approval, and I'll come back, hard refresh. There you go. It's got my nice header. I'll add some images and stuff, and I have my side nav. Cool. Let's go to the directory page. Sweet, it worked. I can see that in the URL. The directory doesn't have the side nav though. Okay, cool. So I guess I'll just have to go to the directory page, check out the file, go to properties. Oh, there's that same stuff, show left nav and path to the left nav. Click that, and I'll make sure that this says the folder that we are in, which is tutorials, and we're in the developer club and side nav. So now that's working, and I have that dependency tag. Still not sure what this title of side nav is, but we'll go back to that. All right, cool. It showed up. Save it by clicking that button down there that you saw. And here, we'll look at it one more time. Right there. Save and publish. Publish. Cool. And then I'll come back. Oh, I hard refresh. And I can see both the About Us page and the directory page are working. Awesome. Contact us. Okay, I guess I got to do the same thing again, but that's not that hard. That's pretty simple. I'll just check out the file, go to properties, show the left nav, and I copied that dependency tag before because I know that that's what it should be. And I'll just type that in there. If you memorize it, yes, you could type it in. Just make sure it's correct. Or I can just look for it again. And we'll save that. And publish. And then on that contact us page, awesome, we have our side nav turned on. So you just have to turn it on for whatever page that it is. Let's say you want it on the right-hand side. Well, what if I just click show right navigation, save that, check it out, moved it to the right-hand side. I can publish that or submit it for approval. Hard refresh. Oh, a little slow today, computer is. Oh, well, oh, I'm on the directory page. Let's see. Oh, I updated contact us. So let's see. Oh, cool. And it's on the right-hand side. Nice. Let's go back to About Us. So that home page, what we're calling our About Us page, check the file out. Go to Properties. What's this gray left nav? Let's try that. Save. Oh, cool. It turns it gray. Doesn't really seem to be an option to do that for the right-hand side. That's because there isn't. It's just not possible. If you turn on this gray left nav and say show right navigation, that's just weird and wrong. So we'll only use this checkbox if we're using the left navigation, right? And then we'll save that. Otherwise, it'll probably get rejected instead of being published. So cool. Cool. Let's see what we can find out about that mobile thing. So I just pushed Control-Shift-I. That's a developer trick, right? I can toggle the size of my device so that way it acts like a phone would, right? And then I can shrink that down. Nothing to worry about there. Okay, so I'm going to set this to maybe, I don't know, iPhone 10. Does anybody have anything older than an iPhone 10? Probably. Cool. Let's go back into properties. Title of Sidenav. That's probably this, right? This primary page window. Well, okay, well, we're the developer club, right? Developer club. I'll just type that in there. Copy it to my clipboard in case I need to use it again. Save. Submit for publish or just publish it. And refresh and check it out. It changed the name of the Sidenav on mobile view. So I have this hamburger menu with all these links now, and I can see that it says Developer Club. Very nice. Does it do that if I, oh no, it does not do that if I go to directory. So I'm gonna have to go back in and change that on every single one of my pages, but that's not too bad. That's pretty simple considering that now I have a mobile responsive site that looks pretty good. I mean, obviously I still need to update the content, but the content has a good layout and it also has a useful title now for my side navigation. So that's pretty neat. That'll kind of do it for Sidenavs for now. So thanks and bye.